Good morning everyone. Welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial School. Today we will do the quick recap of chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet of class 6th. Now let's discuss the magnet. What is magnet? Magnet are the material which attract the magnetic substances. Now we will discuss the magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force which is exerted by the magnet on magnetic substances. Now we are going to learn the types of magnet. First one is natural and the second one is artificial. Natural magnets. Natural magnets come from the nature. They are not too strong and we cannot find them in different shapes. Now artificial magnets. Artificial magnets are the magnets which are made by man. They are very strong and they can be found in different shapes like U-shape. We also called horseshoe shape and bar magnet shape, and other shapes are also available. Now we are going to learn the properties of the magnet. First property is attractive property, in which a magnet attracts the magnetic substances. Now here we will discuss the magnetic substances. Magnetic substances are those substances which are attracted by the magnets like iron, nickel and cobalt. Now non-magnetic substances are those substances which cannot be attracted by the magnets like plastic, wood, etc. Now we will learn the second property, that is a directive property. In directive property, it will always show the direction. When we will freely suspend a magnet, it will always point out towards the north and the south direction. Now let's move to the next property, that is repulsion and attraction. What happens when we just take two magnets of the same axis or poles? Means if we will take north, then what will they do? They will repel each other. But when the unlike poles are there, if one is north and another one is south, they attract with each other. Now let's go with the next property. Next property is poles always exist in pairs. They will always be found with north and south mentioned on it. Okay. Now we will learn about the demagnetization, or how can we make the magnet. A permanent magnet can be made by the method single touch method. Now we will learn the demagnetization. Sometimes what happens, the magnet lose its property by itself. We call that self demagnetization. And the demagnetization is losing the property of the magnet. It can happen when we heat the magnet, and it can be happen when we hammer the magnet, and sometimes we just drop the magnet from a height. It also loses its property. Now we are going to learn the uses of the magnets. Where do we use the magnets? We use the magnets in motors, generators, loudspeakers. And we also use the magnet in the separation of iron from the scrap. It also used in the hard disk, floppy, audio, video tapes. And we also know that it is also used in credit cards and ATMs. That is all for this video. We will meet with the next video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.